So the other day I had a question and it said, Sean, could you do waypoints inside a building? And I sort of said to him, yeah, I think you can, but I'm gonna have to make a video of that. Now, I don't live in a place that's got massive warehouses, but I thought what I'd do, it hasn't got a roof on this building, but it's got windows and it's got doors. And I just want to see, one, how high you have to be off the ground to do a waypoint, and will it cope being inside a building? I'm not going to turn off the avoidance, guys. I don't like doing that. It just ends up me smashing my drone, and then I can't do any more demos to you, so I don't want to do that. The other thing I could do, I might do that as well, I'll put it into hover just to make out maybe we've got a roof. So what I'm going to do first, I'm just going to set up some a waypoint and we'll just see if it's going to work. Right, as you can probably see, I'm in the way a bit. I'm still in the way a bit. I mean, that's the only thing that might be the problem here. So anyway, I'm just going to bring the drone back a little bit. Okay. So it looks like we're going to get that constant noise. So I'm going to do a waypoint. I'm going to do it on the screen. Okay. And then I'm going to bring the drone forward at a bit of an angle. Bring it up a little bit. Bring it over a bit. Right, obviously at the moment we're under a tree. Just going to put on the video now. It's setting itself up. Okay, it's turning. Off it goes. I'm going to get out of the way because it's just stopped. Do that again. Okay, I'm going to go back to where the camera is because I think that's probably what caused the problem. I was in the way. Okay, so let's just see what happens. Not falling over the rocks. Okay, it's that bush there. So what I'm going to have to do is raise it up a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to sort out another one because you don't want to keep watching all this. But I'll be back in a mo.
Battery level is low.
Okay, so anyway, just...
We'll return to the home point in 10 seconds.
10 seconds, it's going to come back to the home point. That's going to be interesting.
Return to home.
Okay, it's landing where I did the first waypoint. So, a couple of things I'm learning now. Okay, this time I'm going to do something a little bit different, but I'll tell you in a mo. So what I'm going to do this time, get the drone up in the air, take off.
Take off.
Okay, now at the moment that avoidance is annoying me, so unfortunately I'm going to have to turn it off. So I'm going to turn off the avoidance. Right, so that's off now. I've got to remember that I've turned it off. Okay, we can still see my limit there. Now I'm going to put on the waypoints. And my first waypoints is going to be back just here a mo. Going to hover. Okay, I'm going to put on the video. So the video's on. We'll press go. So off it goes. So if this was a building, you can do waypoints in a building. I would say probably more interesting if it's in a bigger building than a small one. I'm just watching it going over there. bouncing around a bit, but you know, hey, doing all right. It's coming back round. It's coming back towards me. I hope if you can see that. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to stop that. I'm going to stop the video. It worked. Okay. Okay. What we'll do, we'll have a quick chat in a mo. I thought that worked pretty well. Anyway, while I'm chatting to you guys, I'm just going to go back into my settings and put on the brake. Because I know if I don't do it now, I'm out on another demo, I'll forget about it and end up crashing somewhere. Anyway, that's been done now. So I can turn off my drone. No, I've never seen any videos in a building. Why you would do that, I don't know. But I suppose, can the drone cope with it? But I suppose anything I've learnt from that is, to make it work properly, you need to turn off the avoidance. And it's probably a good idea. I haven't got a roof on this. I don't know any big buildings. I know smaller buildings, but I don't know any big buildings. This hasn't got a roof on it. But I think it's a good idea to put it in hover. So, drone's off, RC's off. You're not going to say now, don't you? There's going to be another video coming very soon.